Hey, what is up, guys? Today, you guys are joining me on another adventure. Today, I am exploring the Atlantic Gelatin factory. I'm telling you why. The name of the place, because it's in the process of getting demolished. There is construction vehicles right outside here, so I'm trying to be very quiet. So there's not going to be a lot of talking in this video, but I hope you guys enjoy. There's a lot of really cool machinery and everything. Let's see what's here. The Spencer 2-meter bag separator turbine. Got a day dust collector, whatever that is. A couple smaller turbines, another dust collector thing. I walked through a door that said screener room. This is a Mac cartaviller. This it says. This factory's pretty cool. A lot of really cool machines and stuff left behind. Yeah, my flashlight sucks. But surrounded by like dryers and machines and stuff. Bunch of air filters. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell this, but this whole kind of looks like a rack of sorts. These are all air filters in here. I'll try to dig up some history on the process to give you guys a better understanding of what all these on the back side of their air filters. More machines over here. It's really cool. It's like a time capsule with how much stuff is left behind, but unfortunately it's getting torn down, so this won't be a thing much longer. You can see, yeah, it's, ugh. well, whatever it is in the gelatin making process, they actually had that stuff, some of the remnants of the byproducts or the products or whatever they are inside here. Oh no, my camera's gonna die soon. No. Hurry, enter the chill room. Mesh grates. More of that weird ramen rosin looking stuff. Ramen rosin, yum. As you can tell here, part of the stairs is collapsed. Unfortunately, I can't be here for too long. Look how out in the open I am. All the construction vehicles around me. Not really good to be out in the open like this, so the storm might be coming to an end. Found a like an office kinda, but it's also weird because it's set up right next to a machine. They love their machines here. Alright guys, I'm leaving. Look at all these construction vehicles. This is where I came in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like it's going to be pretty short, but I got what I could while I was at least left. And I will see you guys next time. Have a happy explore. Peace.